Hello everyone. In this video we will see an new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to sort the data in case of Alteryx whenever the data is going to display in the result workflow over here. So how we can sort it in the ascending and descending manner. So we'll see it first. So over here we have to input the data with the help of input output tab. We'll go over here and we will drag this input data tool in the canvas first. Then we have to connect a file. Click on the drop down over configuration pair pen where you can find out connect file or database. So it will redirect us to the data connection window. Yeah, now we can click on files, click on select file. Now we have to select a file. So over here I will select the file name as office citizen. Click on open. So it will say that you have to select Excel input. So if there are different sheets in this particular file, so there is only one file named as office citizen. You will select it. So if there are multiple sheets, you can select any one. So over here it is only one, so I will select office citizen. Click on OK. So in the configuration pane you can observe the record limit. If you want to see any specific limit, you can put a limit on this. 4 records, 5 records, and preview is also available. I'll just click on run. After clicking on run, so the results workflow is going to available downward. So we can see over here 6 columns are there: state code, state, market, market size, territory, and office city, office size. So I'll show you the database first. This is the file, this is the data. So 6 columns, 6 fields are there. So we can sort this particular data. You can find out 3 dots over here. So I will just click on this particular 3 dots. So over here you will be finding one option named as sort. So I'll just click on higher to lower, that is descending. Now you can see that the data is being sorted, and accordingly the other data is also getting modified. So if I want to sort it in ascending manner, so I click on ascending, lower to higher. So accordingly the data is getting modified, you can see over here. So in this way we can do the sorting in case of Alteryx. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.